Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, everybody? Calico the Truth Reviews back again with another video, and today I got the ERay smart door lock. Now, it is a simple and smart life door lock. Now, I use this for my man cave. It's 3 different ways to unlock it. You have your fingerprint, which is up to 50, I guess it says 50 PCS. I'm not sure what that would mean. Also, passcode, which would be max 100 PCS, as well as your keys, which is 2 pieces included. Okay, pieces. So I'm guessing that's what that means, pieces. I'm sorry, y'all. I seem like a noob. 100 pieces, all right? 100 pieces for your passcode, and then also you got fingerprint, which is max 100. Max 50 pieces for your fingerprint. All right, so I'm guessing you can use 50 different fingerprints, 50 different ways to unlock it, I'm guessing. And then also it says it has a smart auto lock after 5 seconds, anti-peep function, lock-free mode, 4 AAA batteries that are not included that you do have to insert into the door. And then also you have USB emergency power supply, as well as a low battery indicator, which will be sent to you via the app, so that you'll know whenever the door is actually going low on power, and you can be able to reinsert more batteries to keep the battery functioning properly, all right? So that you can gain those features of the door. All right, so this is a smart door lock. I'm sure it's probably simple. Nothing hard about it. Just very smart, simple, straightforward, straight to the point. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm sure it's just doorknob included here. Let's see, one thing here. All right, flip this up, flip up the tab, and you're greeted with the installation instructions here. Okay, so yeah, it does have an app, because I do use the Tuya app, Tuya app, and you can scan the QR code to, you can follow an installation video as well as an operations video once you scan the app. So I'm sure that there is a video that will show you and guide you through the whole process as far as installing it. All right, so let's see what we got on the inside. Okay, so we got this smart door lock here. All right, put your fingerprint on this part here, and I'm sure this is, okay, so look like this is where you insert in USB to actually, I guess, get that backup power to the door. And then it has a key entry here so that you can actually add your key to it so that you can be able to unlock the door as well. All right, set this to the side here. And then for the other side of the doorknob here, it is like it has nothing on the back side there. And then it has the little locking mechanisms on the inside, and also it has a screw on the other side to be able to open up the other side of the door as far as the opposite side goes. All right. All right, so like you get your set of keys here, your set of keys. Hope that's focusing. Get your set of keys, and you also get all your installation things here as far as your screws, your bolts, your brackets for the door. Get your brackets, you get your screws here, get all that good jazz, and you also get the door locking mechanism here, and another metal piece that goes there. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and start the installation now, and go ahead and set up the camera so that I can start working on it. And I guess I may try to come back to you guys once I finally put everything almost together and start figuring some of the things out. I may try to come back once I install the batteries, show you guys where the battery placement goes. So if you pretty much install the doorknob before, then it shouldn't be that difficult as far as putting on a smart lock. So should be pretty easy. All right. So see y'all in a minute. All right, guys. So for this handle here, for the outside one, look like this is where the battery goes. So I just basically unscrewed this. It comes with a little mini screwdriver that you basically unlock the other part of the handle. So once you unscrew it, this top opens up and you're able to throw in the AAA batteries. Just thought I'd pause the video just to show you guys this is where you actually put the batteries. All right. Okay, so now I'm pairing this lock to the door. I'm pairing it to the app, I mean. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and see how quick it is to pair this thing to the door. So, let's see. Okay, you hit add device. And then as you see, it just popped up. Smart lock on my phone here. And it says it's being added to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. There you see it's already been added. Click done. And you can unlock with a fingerprint. I guess it has a temporary code you can put on there. Member management, like you can set it up for different household members to be able to access the smart lock here. It also has smart scenes. Let's see what that's about. If it'll load up. Family go home, trigger linkage when family members go home. Oh, okay, so I like that, the linkage, all right? You know what I'm saying? When the family members go home, that way you can unlock it for them. So when they get here, they say, hey, I need access to your room. You say, all right, you know, you can click that on to leave it unlocked for them. Also, you can set your door lock alarm. So when the door lock alarms trigger, it triggers a linkage. So you'll be notified whenever there's somebody tampering with the door or trying to gain entry into the door. Because I do have a few little high price items in here. So I like to always, you know, protect my investments, if you know what I'm saying. So let's see what else we got here. More remote voice unlock. Code-based verification is required to unlock the door with a Google speaker. So you can actually do that as well. And you can always unlock, which you can set that. Remote unlock, anti-lock, only the admin can unlock after enabling an anti-lock. And also the lock volume, you can set that to low, normal. Set it to high. It don't really sound. Okay, so as you see, I got notifications of the smart lock wrong fingerprint alarm. So, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set a fingerprint real quick. I'm gonna set it to low for now, but let's see how easy it is to add a fingerprint. Okay, and also on the app here, it shows that the battery life on the door is high. I've already added some Energizer batteries to the door, so it is there. Let me see here if I can. So you hit lock for that, slide it to the lock, it will lock. Slide it to the unlock, it will unlock. And then it also sends you a notification to your phone that the door is locked or unlocked. And let's see, please enter a 6 to 10 digit password. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my password real quick just to have one. I guess go to the keypad here and I put in my code, which for now I'm gonna not show you guys, but then there we go, and it'll be unlocked. All right, so on the app, it has here where you can set a password, you can add a card, I guess, to whatever it is that you want to unlock. But so far I'm going to add a fingerprint. How to add a fingerprint: place a finger on the fingerprint recognition area several times. Ensure that your finger fully contacts the fingerprint recognition area. When pressing your finger for registration, we recommend gently rotating the finger angle each time. Add. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it with just one finger at the time, just so that I can have an idea of how I'm gonna unlock the door and move forward that way. Just for the intents and purposes of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just try it with one fingerprint. So let's try it with one finger real quick, just to try it out. All right, just to try it out. Gonna retry that. Okay, so, oh, my bad. Gotta hit. All right. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna put fingerprint name. You can also assign a name to it. I just put right finger. Okay. And then as you see, it's member management. So you can add a fingerprint, and therefore it shows my fingerprint is right there on the app, right there where it's been added. All right. So as soon as I use it, there it is. Works just perfect. But I do hope every single one of you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please drop me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I do appreciate you guys for hanging out with me for this video. And I'm sorry for the delay. I didn't mean to delay out the video that long, but Happy New Year to everybody. So I hope everybody takes care of themselves and each other. And you guys have a great day, a Happy New Year, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. This has been Calico the Truth Reviews, and I'm going to catch y'all guys on the next video. You guys take care of yourselves and each other, and we'll holler at y'all on the next one. Peace.